finally made it to this hotel. To begin. What's up, y'all? It's finally Wednesday. Whew, I hope y'all can hear me because these two is loud. But we are finally on the road. Finally on the road heading to San Antonio for my niece's graduation trip. What time is it? We just picked 12:58, so it's almost 12:30, so we should be in San Antonio by 5 because I'm sure we'll stop at least once. So we should be there by 5 o'clock. So good timing. But y'all ain't gonna do too much about it because I'm a little sleepy, so I'll probably be going to sleep. And the way they screaming and hollering, y'all ain't gonna be able to hear nothing I'm saying. So I'll probably pick the camera back up once we have made it, or probably when we stop or something like that. I don't know, but anyway.
Stay free and don't get tied up again in slavery to the law. You have been set free from the old
Okay, put your arm down so you don't hit Trey.
every single day. And
I got you, Bridget.
I am now walking with Jesus. So Carlos, that's your verse of the day. Caleb.
Fred, put your arms down. Trey kind of sleepy. You take a nap too. Close your eyes. Hallelujah. Whew, okay, y'all. We didn't have to stop. Freeman woke up. And he is hungry.
Yeah.
Letting him eat these Popeye mac and cheese. Okay. Here. I guess I give him some of these nuggets since they wouldn't eat. Then he'll get real full, so we ain't gotta stop no more. We halfway there, y'all. We halfway there. Good. Got chew the chicken. There you go. Chew it up. You excited? You excited because you eating?
Hey, stop.
To the hotel we go. It's tail
What you got,
time.
kids meal?
Yep.
You want no toast?
It's tail time. You at your butt? The skeletons in the butt.
I thought I saw a drink in your hand.
Merry
Oh, you did.
Christmas.
Look, I know I saw it. I can't even eat my chicken nice and hot. Gotta feed big boy here.
Yeah.
By the time you wake up, you'll be like, that's
We got 2.5 hours left, y'all. These kids are going crazy. Freeman, that's too big of a bite. I told you about them big old bites. You can't even put it all in your mouth. That's too big of a bite. Math ain't even that big. I just boy love bananas. Love them. He saw this banana and spit his nuggets out. Getting me dirty, boy. I don't think you need to eat this whole banana. You okay, Freeman? Alright, I got y'all propped up on my neck pillow. We about to roll out and I'm about to enjoy my chicken. You know, Irina's supposed to be eating it good. Huh? Okay.
Okay, let's go to the hotel.
Okay, as long as y'all be quiet and let Daddy drive, we can make it.
Let's attack it. Don't worry, Mommy. We are good.
Should have made him pee. Here.
Yes.
That's not yours, Trey. That's the rest of his milk.
Wait, my milk.
You drank all of your milk. It was in your cup. That was Frederick's. That was Frederick's. That was Frederick's milk.
You're not Johnny.
Turn right onto Wolf Lakes Drive. Then at the next light, you'll turn left.
You're not Johnny.
Yes. The kid get cool.
Lord Jesus.
What trying to play?
This chicken good and crispy. Y'all put honey on y'all chicken. Best thing about Papa. Really that honey. On the chicken.
Yeah.
You gotta make a mess. It's crazy because this chicken is still kind of hot. And it's been this 10 minutes since I got it. I don't know what it is. Freddie, give it to Daddy. Oh, SeaWorld.
It's all problem free. Philosophy. Do it all my way. Hakuna Matata.
Come on, ostrich.
It's all problem free. Hakuna Matata. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Means no worries.
Boom. Boom. First of all, you got the big old feet out.
For the rest of your days, it's all problem free.
Problem free.
Philosophy.
Everybody looks left.
Everybody looks like
Sorry.
I don't know the words to this one. I just have been prepared. What's up, y'all? We have finally made it to this hotel. Lord have mercy, we was in so much traffic.
y'all the room real quick. Let me show y'all the room real quick. We are in Spring Hill by Marriott. Oh, Spring Hill Suites. Alright, let me show y'all. Alright, so here's the door. First come in though. Then to the right, it's a couch / sofa bed. That's where the boys will be. And we're gonna put Freeman somewhere in here with his playpen. TV, a little area over here. I guess like a little kitchen nook. Microwave, mini fridge, sink. They got this, but ain't nothing in there. Unless it's down here. No, ain't nothing in there. Then here goes the TV. It's kind of hot in here. This is the bed for me and Dwayne, and I'm seeing some on this blanket unless that's y'all. Y'all get off the bed. Get off the bed. Don't you play on this bed. This is our bed. Go sit down on that couch. The Freeman. Okay, if you sit down, you won't hurt your ear. Where the area? Because, babe, it's stuffy in here. You see anything on the wall? Oh, we can sign into Netflix, thank God. They got it on 72. Okay. It's kind of stuffy in here. Okay. Here go the sink / closet area. And then, of course, oh, Lord, it's a shower. And I didn't bring his thing. Guess Freeman will be taking a shower. Because I didn't bring his little tub. Because I'm like, no, he can just sit in the tub. And here's a full mirror on the door. Excuse the stains. I had to feed a toddler. Y'all know how they go. Really frigid. But anyway, we are about to get the luggage put up. And then we're going to head to my sister's and them's Airbnb. They did an Airbnb. So we don't want in a hotel, but they did an Airbnb. So we're going to head over there for a game night and things like that. I need to clean my clothes because I look a mess. But anyway, I'll come back to y'all once we get over there. Okay, y'all. I am... Okay, let me find where I need to be. Let's see. I am at Target. We literally are next door to a Target, which is perfect. Take these glasses off so I can see. I just need to come in and get some Lysol because when I went to Walmart yesterday, they did not have any Lysol. So, that's why I came over to get some Lysol. Literally, that's all. That's it. I was gonna get some bananas for Freeman, but that's like all the way on the other side of the store. This is a huge Target. Okay, where is the pharmacy? Hold on. Oh, this store is so big. Okay, it's gonna be on this side. Okay, it's almost 7 o'clock. If I have time, I'm gonna come back and shop. Look around, because this is a huge Target. They look like they got a lot of stuff in here that I can use. Yes, this Target is huge. Oh my God. Never seen such a big Target. That's all. But we're gonna go with this event. I'm gonna go get the one in the back. But unfortunately, people. Oh, we used to it. We was on the ship up to 3, 4 o'clock in the morning playing Uno. No mercy. No, my vlog. Come on. I need to finish my
You been vlogging this since you here?
I almost forgot.
It's not. Remember this.
Baby, okay,
He went straight for that spade.
He gonna remember it too, think he not? I'm gonna remember it too. Starting early on the cuts. He posting.
Hey, Chad.
And not even in there.
Hi, Chad.
Technically, she want to put that back up. That's fine. I'm glad they don't know that, though.
I know that. I know. I just
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
She says fur. That mean you can't do it no more.
Can't do it no more. Oh! Bringing you home.
I don't know that. I don't see the eye.
Hey, I know you could. You want to go upstairs? You want to go upstairs? Y'all started a little early.
She said, why?
At least they made it all the way up.
What? Because it's funny. They ain't crying.
Dude, they ain't heard that bad.
Right.
That's how you know you have boys.
We know what to listen for.
Right there. Baby, Trey want to be in the mix. Psycho-like. Psycho-like.
Nope. You just reneged.
You not playing, huh? Yeah. You put my business out there.
And it fits the game. You reneged.
We're not in the game. They don't count.
Alright, Julia. This our book.
No.
She put the spade out.
Luby's.
BJ's.
McDonald's.
Pizza Hut. Jack in the Box.
Freddy's. Hey, but that was a real quick.
Ooh, I got one. Hopefully don't nobody get it.
Oh, I got one. Look at Mom. Sonic.
That's a good one.
Napoleon's Italian.
That's what, is that something? Because I thought that was
KFC. Harold's Chicken. Some bows. What? No.
Earl's Chicken.
No, she just made that
I
up.
didn't look it up.
No, you made it up.
What's that?
She guessed.
Earl's Chicken is like all the way in California or something.
No.
Look it up.
Hey y'all. It is the next morning. And we are up. I'm not ready to get dressed. They over there eating breakfast. Well, about to get dressed so we can head out. Today we're going to SeaWorld. These are little graduation shirts. I mean, I wore this already a couple of times. At the graduation, I had it on. At her graduation party, I had it on. But this is a shirt they got made for everybody. So I'm wearing these today again at SeaWorld. And yeah, that's how we do it today. We're basically gonna be at SeaWorld all day. Where is my head? Oh, actually, I need to put my eyes in. Yeah, they're currently eating. I know y'all can't see me all the way because I don't really got no good space over here. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's a little bit. They eating breakfast from downstairs. I don't think they really had much that I wanted to eat, so I probably just stopped to check my box and give me a little sandwich or something to put on my stomach. But try to be quiet. Shh. Y'all, we got back so late last night. We had like a little game night last night. I vlogged a little bit, but I didn't do too much vlogging. I was just trying to be in the moment. But we had like a game night last night. So we got back, I think like at 12 o'clock last night, to the hotel. So we just got up. We've been asleep all night. I woke up a little bit because Freeman got up at like 6 o'clock. He woke up and I gave him like some milk and he went right back to sleep. Well, baby, these kids got up like at 9 o'clock and they started opening. I think they was up before 9. Felt like I heard them before 9 o'clock. But they woke us up at 9 o'clock. Talking about it's morning time. Baby, Trey gonna open up some shades. One thing he gonna do is open up some shades and let y'all know get up. So, we got up. No screaming and yelling. It's Frederick. Freeman is still asleep.
Yes.
Are you done eating?
Yes.
So now, I'm basically just gonna start getting them dressed. Goal is to try to be at this hotel room by 10:30, so we got about an hour. I think we meet up with everybody at the same time, so at the park. Y'all know how that go.
You can find poop.
So yeah, that's all we got planned for today. Oh, I gotta save some battery time. I'm running out of storage. But anyway, I'm about to get them dressed so we can get out this hotel room on time and get to SeaWorld, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging this time around, only because we just came from SeaWorld and I kind of vlogged everything for y'all. Like, I might vlog a little bit because there's some stuff that's new. Other they doing for the summer season, so I may vlog that type of stuff. But I don't want to do too much vlogging because we just came from SeaWorld, and once you been here, you been here. But anyway, let me get them dressed.
It's baby powder. Like it's little. I want to go slide. I want to go to a water park.
We're going to the
SeaWorld.
Yes, we're going to SeaWorld.
What?
You gotta brush your teeth. Stop trying to take off so fast. Let's get dressed.
No, you said you
Is this your toothbrush? Which one is yours? This one is green. No, that's not yours. Green or purple? Which one was yours? Y'all know? Cheese. Start off always cheesing. Cheese. Actually, get your teeth. Okay. Don't do that. Stand up, please.
I know him. Okay, come on here.
You do need a haircut.
No.
Come here. I'm not done. Yeah, come here. Can you stop walking off, please? Stop trying to walk off.
Back, Frederick woke him up. Frederick woke him up. I don't want to get a haircut.
They should have cut your hair for
Please, I don't want scissors. Please do scissors.
You're going to have on the head anyway.
I don't have scissors. I know.
You're going to have on the head anyway, so it don't matter. And make sure you keep your head on. Hold on, don't put lotion on you. Hey, come here.
Get your shoe. It will be done. And Frederick's turn. Yep. Oh yeah, I want to go to a new water slide. I want water slide.
We'll see, Trey. I don't know what you can ride right now.
Ready?
Yes. I just put it right here. You go driving.
Yeah, let's gonna slide backwards.
What?
Yeah.
And then turn around.
You okay, Frederick?
They're better.
Oh, that blue one looking fun.
Here we go.
Oh, we about to go down. You ready for the water?
Oh, whoa, that looks like the Wonder Woman number.
Watch out for the water.
Yep, watch out for the water. You ready?
Let's go.
Yep. 2, 3. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah, we are finally leaving the park. It's just about a little bit before 6:30. Well, it's almost 6:30, but we are leaving the park. It actually wasn't that bad as far as like the crowd and stuff. I thought it was gonna be crowded just because it's the summertime, but it really wasn't that bad, like at all. This was no crowd compared to like when we went to Disney World last year. But yeah, it wasn't that bad. They rode just about every ride with the exception of like one ride, I think you said. I didn't get on the ride. Well, I got on the kid rides, but I didn't get on no big rides and nothing like that. And then we saw like the main orca show. Y'all saw that. I got a little bit of footage of that. But I didn't do too much vlogging because, like I said, y'all, we came to SeaWorld last year, so it was basically the same. Now, we did want to stay later because what was new, they had like a drone show and like some other show at night. But they don't have the regular shows that they would normally have during the day like we did this last time. So we just left because it wouldn't have been nothing to do in the meantime before the drone show, and I didn't want to sit here for 3-4 hours just to watch a drone show and not be able to do nothing. So we just decided to leave. They'll have it again sometime in the future. We'll try it again then when the kids are a lot older and they can handle being at the park all day. But anyway, we're supposed to head to the hotel and do whatever after that. I don't even know at this point, but we probably have another game night. We had fun last night, so we probably do another little game night tonight. I wonder did he say where the place is that they going to? The little jerk chicken place?
Seems like 10 minutes off.
It is the next day. We are in downtown San Antonio at the boardwalk, but we came inside the mall to take the boys to the Sea Life Aquarium. So everybody else went down to the Alamo. We're gonna meet up with them once they get to the boardwalk. But we are here letting the boys just do something, an activity inside. Because at first we was gonna take them to like a little outside splash pad, but they got pretty wet yesterday, and it's hot right now, and I don't want to have to deal with all that. So we just took them here real quick, and then like I said, we're gonna meet up with everybody at the river walk, which is basically where we at. But yeah, then later on tonight we got dinner. And this is what y'all heard. Why are you cutting up? Why are you cutting up? Nah. You don't want to be on camera, okay. Stop.
touch anything in the tank.
Okay.
You do not want to pick up anything, and then you do not want to put your fingers in the very middle of our anemones, alright?
Oh, okay. So just use one finger and touch.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, it just feels like a rock.
Just use one finger and touch. You gonna touch it, Bridget? You don't want to touch it? Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, I don't want to touch it. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I know it's very, very cold water.
How it feels, Trey? What does it feel like? Just one finger, one finger, one finger. There you go. What does it feel like? Is it rough, soft, slimy? That water's super cold. Oh, is this something too? What is this?
That's a sea anemone, and you can touch it as much as it's like jello. The tentacles are a little bit sticky as well.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna just watch. I'm gonna just look. Alright. Trey like touching. It's slimy. Be careful. Be careful. Pretty, you don't want to touch?
No.
You scary. Look at Trey. He like, that's like slime. All right, let's wash our hands.
But you guys have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. What's up? What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, we are in the car. We're actually about to head out, get on the road, and head home. We in the line at McDonald's.
Yes, I got code 1119.
Okay, and that's the Happy Meal?
Yes, let me do a 6-piece nuggets with double fries and chocolate milk.
Okay.
But we are in the line at McDonald's, like I said, but only gonna take us a little bit under 4 hours to get back home. So we should get back home about 4 o'clock in the morning. I mean 3 o'clock in the morning. Lord, I can't count. 3 o'clock in the morning. But when we left I didn't really vlog too much today, but when we left downtown San Antonio, we did the river walk, and y'all saw that.
And that's all.
And that was all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And y'all saw that, but when we left there, we were supposed to go to right, and never came back. We were supposed to go to Ruth Chris, which is a steakhouse, but we ended up eating so late because the little Mexican restaurant that we ate before getting on the boat, we ate pretty late, and so by the time we got done with our leg, nobody was really just hungry enough to just go to a steakhouse. So we ended up canceling those plans, and we just chilled around for a couple of hours, and then we just got on the road just now. So anyway, I came to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure you go ahead and like this video, and if you can, leave a comment down below and let me know you were watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will check you out in the next vlog. Peace.